In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a custom login page in WordPress. If you run a WordPress membership site or an online store, then many of your users will often see the login page. Customizing the default WordPress login page allows you to offer a better user experience. So, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Theme My Login and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. And if you notice, you'll see the Theme My Login icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon and click on General. Here, we're going to configure the plugin. Under Login, you can select the login type. You can choose from username only or email only, or just leave it at default so the user can log in with either of them. Then scroll down, and here you can set the registration type, or allow users to set their own passwords or automatically log in after registration. And here you can change the slug. Then click on Save Changes, and this is how your login page will look now. This is how you can create a custom login page in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.